Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport, and this is by Hot Wheels, and this is from the movie series Fast and the Furious, and specifically this is from Fast 5. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So this looks really nice, specifically the windshield here. It's blue tinted and it perfectly goes with the rest of the body of the car. So the wheels are pretty basic. So this whole part is actually made of metal, and only the windshield is plastic and the interior is plastic. Okay, chase is also plastic. I thought it looked like metal, but it is plastic. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up, and if you love my video, subscribe. So consider subscribing. That would be a great help for me. It would help me to put out a lot more great content like this. So consider subscribing, and as always, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.